But that's not really the point. Bash version 4 added the ability to pad these series of numbers with 0. Normally, if I asked for the numbers 1 through 10, I'd get this. But if I started naming files like this, they wouldn't sort the way you might want, as you saw before. For example, file 428, file 429, file 43, file 430. Of course, that's not an incorrect sort. There is a logic to it. But like I said, it may not be what you expect. I can fix that with 0 padding. But first, let me clear out all these files. And I'll create new files. Notice the 0 in front of the 1. It doesn't matter how many places you need to pad. 1 0 is all it takes. So now the files sort the way I'd expect, and they all have the same file name length. As of bash 4, you can also specify an interval. I'll clear the screen here. And then I'll type echo and curly brace 1.10.2. In this case, I'll get the numbers between 1 and 10 counting by 2s, or 3s, or any absolute value integer you might need. Brace expansion works with letters as well. As you can see, the capital letters come before the lowercase letters, with a couple symbols in between. And like I mentioned, with bash 4 and above, you can specify an interval with letters as well. Brace expansion will interpret the range that you give it. So, as an example, I said w.d.